Hi guys, welcome back to Future Dimensions 360. As you know, in our last tutorial, we had implemented our very basic and first example of cake shop with React Redux and React application. So from today's tutorial and the coming tutorials, we will be learning something little bit more advanced. As you guys know, in our last tutorial, we had used a connect method from React Redux library. So I think you guys have noticed that this is a bit tricky and a bit difficult way to pass on the state and the dispatch method. So what we have done here is we had used our React Redux pattern. How we had created first of all our action creators. Then we had created our reducers. Then we had provided the store to our React application. And at the end, we had used a connect method that will allow us to pass the state and dispatch methods or action creators to our components. Components can then easily access the state and dispatch method. That's a very basic and a technique that is used when there was no hooks in the React library. You can use connect method to provide the state and action creator to your components. Although this is still valid, some of the people they prefer to use connect method in very large scale application to identify exactly which object of the state they want to use in which component or which action creator they want to use in which component. But there is another way. I want you guys to learn that one as well when React Hooks was in the market. When React Hooks was in the market, the React version was 7.1 and there are some certain ways to pass the Redux store or state to React components, and you are able to use the dispatch method, or you can able to create dispatch by using some certain hooks. So subscribe to a store and dispatching an action without using a connect React Redux library method. How you can do that, we will be learning that in the coming some tutorials. So let's go on. It's okay, let's be ready. Let's go on and try to learn that. I hope you guys will enjoy it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Goodbye.